here I have a sum and difference of some logs. I'm going to try to rewrite the sum and difference of logs at the top into a condensed form as a single log. So since I have the sum, I start with, since I start, yeah, it's going to look like a fraction. Since I have the sum of two logs, I'm going to start there with this, going to be in the numerator. And I have to multiply to get a product of those sum of two logs. And I have x over x minus 9 times x plus 9 over x. I multiply those, the x's will cancel out. It's going to leave x plus 9 over x minus 9 for the numerator, since those x's will cancel out. And then I can't forget about what's going to be in the denominator, which comes from the difference part of the logs. It's going to be negative ln x squared minus 81. So I know that x squared minus 81 is going to go in the denominator. X squared minus 81 can be broken down into two factors because it's a difference of squares. It breaks down into x plus 9 and x minus 9, two factors. So now I have here x plus 9 over ln x plus 9 over x minus 9 in the numerator over x plus 9 times x minus 9 in the denominator. One thing I'm going to want to try to get rid of is the x minus 9 in the numerator, in the denominator of the numerator. So I'm going to multiply the bottom times x minus 9. When I multiply the bottom times x minus 9 to clear out the denominator and the numerator, I'm left with x plus 9 in the numerator and x plus 9 in the denominator, as well as x minus 9 squared in the denominator. Now again, I have x plus 9 in the numerator and then x plus 9 factor in the denominator. Those two will also cancel out. So I'm left with x minus 9 squared in the denominator. But since it's in the denominator, the x minus 9 squared is going to be x minus 9 to the negative 2 power because it's in the denominator. So it's x minus 9 raised to the negative 2 power. But I'm going to have to move that exponent, the negative 2, to the front. So it's going to be a factor. It's going to be negative 2. And I can't forget the ln part because I've been talking about the factors and fraction particles in the parentheses. But the ln is still there. So it's going to be negative 2 natural log of x minus 9. And thus their answer is just condensed and simplified. After condensing and simplifying the original sum and difference of logs. Negative 2 natural log x minus 9.